Hello everyone. Welcome to this course on English communication and business etiquettes. The major aim of this course is to help you succeed in life and corporate world. This course is designed for anyone who wants to excel at professional level English communication skills. There are various courses online and offline about English speaking, but merely speaking this language is not enough. There's a difference between knowing, understanding and speaking a language and speaking it effectively, efficiently, fluently and confidently. This course will focus not only on your communication skills, it will build your communication skills, but it will also specially focus on business English and business etiquettes. Effective communication is a vital tool for any business owner. Your success in getting your point across can make a difference between sealing a deal and missing a potential opportunity. You should be able to explain your company policies to the clients and customers, and you should also be efficiently able to answer their questions about your products and services. You should be efficient in communicating with them about your negotiations also in order to achieve your goals. Even within a workplace, effective communication is very important. Effective communication between the staff members and you, or between the people who are working in a common place, leads to developing a very healthy atmosphere in the workplace, which in turn increases the morale and efficiency of work. In this course, we'll be covering a wide array of topics. We'll be beginning by explaining the importance of English, fluency, why English is important for career building, what are the major problems people face which leads to them being not fluent enough in English, and how to increase your fluency in English. We'll also discuss the ways of greeting in English, how to greet people in formal and informal situations, how to greet a group versus how to greet an individual, mass level greetings, and also the non-verbal greetings. So we'll also tell you the body language which you have to keep in mind while greeting people. We will also teach you how to introduce yourself in English and how to introduce others in English. Again, both in formal as well as informal settings. We will also deal with the telephonic interview part, how to handle interviews on phone call, what are the common phone call etiquettes which you have to keep in mind while you are in a communication with a person over a phone, how to handle phone interviews, even the group interviews, and how to negotiate about the salary with the HR. We will also cover some general topics like inviting people in English, making appointments, thanking in English, apologizing in English, and telling the time in English. And many other topics we'll be covering in this course to come. I'm super excited and will be looking forward to seeing you all in the class. I'm absolutely sure that this course will help you a lot.